In a small Danish town named Billund, there was a carpenter. His name was Ole Kirk Christensen. Ole had a workshop where he crafted wooden wonders. Ladders, ironing boards, and even toys came to life under his skilled hands. One day in 1932, the Great Depression hit Denmark hard. Ole's business struggled to survive. But he didn't give up hope. He believed that if he could create something special, people would love it. In 1934, inspiration struck him like lightning. He decided to name his company Lego. It came from two Danish words, leg and goat. These words meant, play well, in English. With renewed enthusiasm, Ole began making toys from wood again. Then one day in 1947, something magical happened. Lego got their hands on a revolutionary machine, the plastic injection molding machine. This machine changed everything for Lego. They started making bricks out of plastic instead of wood now. The very first Lego brick was born in 1949, but these early bricks were not perfect yet. They didn't stick together very well. So engineers at Lego started working on it tirelessly. Finally, after years of hard work and dedication in 1958, the iconic studded brick we all know and love today was patented. Lego bricks became an instant hit worldwide because kids could unleash their creativity like never before. The sky was now the limit with these colorful building blocks. The world began taking notice of Lego's success too. They won awards for their innovative designs. And as more people fell in love with these tiny yet mighty wonders, new theme sets were introduced. Space sets, city sets, even medieval castles. Lego didn't stop there either. They expanded into TV shows like Ninjago and movies such as the Lego Movie, which became box office hits. Legoland theme parks then popped up around the world. Families flocked to these magical lands filled with life-sized Lego creations. Lego never forgot its humble beginnings. They built a Lego house in Billund, Denmark, a tribute to Ole Kirk Christensen and the town where it all started. As time went on, even adults found solace in Lego. A term was coined, AFOL, or adult fans of Lego. They formed online communities and held conventions to share their passion. In 2008, a community project called Quizoo was launched. Fans could submit their own designs for potential sets. This amazing initiative led to sets like the DeLorean from Back to the Future and Ghostbusters ECTO-1 becoming realities. Today's children still learn valuable skills through playing with Legos, creativity, problem-solving, teamwork. But most importantly, they learn how something small can have a lasting impact on an entire world. And so ends our tale of Lego's history. A story that began with one man's dream and grew into an empire that touches millions of hearts around the globe. All because someone believed in the power of play.